Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Open the Pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the red color, number button on. Select the text option, edit the writing, select the size option, adjust the size, select the font option, adjust the font, select the shadow option, enable button on. Copy the writing, select the copy option, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, save the writing, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color, select the import button, go to the gallery, select another shape, adjust the shape, remove the background, select the red color, enable button on, adjust the shape, rotate the shape, select the rotate option, copy the shape, select the copy option. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.